Last basketball season, Danny scored 857 points in 80 games. What was the rate in points per game? Round to the nearest tenth if necessary. Okay, so keyword here is rate. So our question is, what was the rate? So that's what we're looking for. And remember, a rate is basically the decimal version of a ratio. So we start with a ratio, which is a fraction with units. So in this case, the two units we have is number of points and number of games. So our ratio of, say, points to games would be 857 points in 80 games. And now to convert a ratio to a rate, we divide. And this is always what we do. If we want to convert any fraction into a decimal, remember the word fraction means division. So if we want to convert a fraction to a decimal, we divide. A ratio is a fraction, a rate is a decimal. So we'll open up the calculator and we'll say 857 points divided by 80 games, and that gives us 10.7125 points per game. And in the directions, you see round to the nearest tenth. So right here, round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So to the nearest tenth means one decimal place. So we have 10.7125. The tenth place is the 7. Since the next place is a 1, we don't round that up. So we'll say about 10.7 points per game. 10.7 points per game. And that will be our final answer.